Good morning, guys. It's Mazi again, and I'm here to share my daily outlook with you guys. Happy new month, guys. All right, so let's start with gold, my favorite pair. So, yeah, we are still within the gold weekly zone. We are still within the gold weekly what zone, and price is currently reacting off the rejection block. You can see that pretty obvious. That price is rejecting off the rejection block. And now, how do we know that this buy is ready to, move now? How do we know that this buy is ready to move now? Is until we get a clean sweep above this eye here. That certified that the weekly is now moving. Price will most likely not come back till we take this high. But for now, we don't just sit down and wait. We are day traders. So I have to move down to lower time frame to give myself a clearer focus zone. And I'll show you guys 3 trades that I have on good currently running. Yeah, I'll show you guys how I took that trade. Okay, so now on the daily, you can see price tapped into my zone. After tapping into my zone, it caused a breakout. I see a very clean breakout. Sorry, after it caused a sweep, a very clean sweep, caused a breakout here, a very clean breakout. After that breakout, it left an inducement here, an engineered liquidity, and took it, came back into the zone, this zone here. You can see rejection block zone also, create a sweep also, but failed to do a breakout, rather came back and now created the sweep here. You can see where he created a sweep here and caused a breakout. This is where we now have a breakout here, caused a clean breakout. And after that, where is now the source candle responsible for that move? This, you can see our source candle responsible for the move. The source candle responsible for the move. And inside that source candle, it still caused a what? A sweep. That is a sign of an incoming low. That's on the daily. Now, to get a better precise entry, we'll go to 4 hours. Because why? It is coming from the weekly. The trade idea is coming from the weekly. So we can go to 4 hours to take a better or a precise entry. A better precise entry. So now this is our 4 hours chart. This is our current 4 hours chart. This is where the sweep happened. And yes. Okay, I think this is the last one. This is where I'm supposed to. Yeah, this is where I was actually. After that sweep, it caused a breakout. Yeah, it caused a breakout. You can see here or here or here, wherever. Then after that, it left us an inducement, an engineer liquidity. Look at it here. It dropped an engineer liquidity. And what did he do? He came to the source candle. You can see this is our source candle here. This is where I took my first trade. And inside that same source candle, it caused another sweep again of a low, confirming this to be a strong low, or most likely be a strong low. This is where I took my first entry, which is still running. And where is my target? Overall target is outside this range, this 4 hours range. I'm good. And where is my stop loss? Stop loss is just below here. And that was a 3-arrow trade. Now, after price has tapped into this zone, what is the next thing it did? The next question is, did it cause a breakout? Yes, it did. Caused a breakout here. It caused a breakout. Now, after that breakout, did he leave an inducement? Yes, he left an inducement. This inducement here. He left an inducement here. So this is where I took my second entry from last week on Friday before market closed. All this is in my Telegram community. And my stop loss, right, just below here. And where is my TP? My TP is still up here. Now, the last trade I took yesterday night, why did I take it? Because here, price left, what's it called? Price left a volume. A volume in which pair showed me that volume? Okay, yeah, this. But I saw that volume somewhere. Where did I see that volume, Seth? Oh, shit. I have to start looking for broker that shows volume because this FXCM does not show volume actually. It does not show gap. But I saw a gap somewhere and on my MetaTrader 5. So I took a buy around here. Price caused a gap to the upside. It caused a gap. Because where did I even take? Which particular place did I take that trade itself? It caused a gap somewhere. But I know I have a third entry around this zone here. I have a third entry. But this is what I can show you guys for now. This is what I can show you guys for now. So yeah, we wait to see what BTC what gold wants to do. what gold wants to do. So we'll check the next pair, BTC. And yeah, this is a trade I've taken on BTC, a possible buy. This is the last buy I'm taking on BTC for now. If this should fail, I'm going to short BTC till we get into the zone here, because that's our daily zone. Looking at our daily zone, and this will most likely not hold, but we'll just see. If it's going to hold, it will hold. If it will not hold, it will not hold. There's no point stressing. Even here, it's very, very obvious that BTC, you can see the sales candle are longer than the buys candle, so the buys have lost their momentum here. But I just have to take it because it's still valid based on the way I trade. So if it fails, it fails. No, if no wahala. If it fails, that is now a sell confirmation for me. I'll sell all the way to this low here. Then from this point, I change buyers to buy to the upside and see if price is going to continue going up or price is going to tank. You can see this is my zone here. This is my demand zone. See my first point of interest for entry. Then this outside here is my external point of interest, which is my rejection block zone. That's my external point of interest for a possible trade reversal. Yes. So this is me on this chart, and I'll be waiting to see what price will do. I'm waiting for what price will do. So why am I taking, the question is, why am I taking this trade now on 4 hours? Okay, why am I taking this trade now on 4 hours? Right? So price came here, did a sweep, but failed to cause a breakout. Okay, failed to cause a breakout. Then while coming back, he left an inducement. But since it did not cause a breakout, price did not hold, price took it again. Then at this point here, why am I more confident here than here? Because this caused a breakout. You can see price came into that my final point of interest, which is the rejection block zone, and did a very clean sweep. After doing that sweep, price rejected inside, caused a breakout here. And not just causing a breakout, also left an inducement here. You can see the inducement he left. He left an inducement here. And nice, currently around my demand zone. So this will be my validation zone. So that is why I'm taking this trade. I'm not taking it because BTC is bullish. No, I'm not taking it. I'm just taking it because based on what I trade, it's still indicating a buy confirmation. So it could sell can happen because on the daily, the momentum of the sellers are high, or it can just struggle and deliver this buy, then tank to the downside. I don't know. Whatever I want to do, it should do. This is the second trade I'm taking for the day. And third trade, is there any? There's none, because I've not even done top-down analysis on the rest. So I think this two is enough. If I see any other clear entry by tomorrow, I'm still going to share with you guys. I have to do proper top-down analysis by wiping my chart clean and reanalyzing. Yes, and reanalyzing. And this guy, you want to start selling from here. Did not even come in to the zone I wanted you to come in. But anyways, Solana can do what he wants to do. Then US 30 and the rest. This is me on US 30. Sorry, S&P 500. That's my expectation. For S&P 500 to come and what? Take this point as inducement. Tap here, will deliver to the upside. Also, 100. NAS 100. This one is still indicating a sell. It's still looking like as if it wants to sell. US 30 is indicating a buy. I've been holding this trade since last week. Very soon it's going to hit my TP for a buy continuation. I might even want to extend it to this point, but it's fine. I'll get out of this point in order not to be greedy. So guys, that is that about my daily outlook for today. This is enough. Tomorrow I'm going to share more insights with you guys based on other pairs that I'll be looking forward to trade after my top-down analysis. Okay, this video is proudly sponsored by Hola Prime, one of the fastest growing prop firm and the most transparent prop firm out there, and they have 2 records that they are currently maintaining. They have the fastest payouts in the forex industry in terms of prop firm business, and also no payout denial ever recorded. And all these things is verified by Deloitte, and Deloitte is always auditing what they are doing to make sure that record is maintained. They offer the fastest payout in the industry, and also there's no payout denial. And what is no payout denial? It doesn't mean when you go get account and fault their rules, they will not deny your payout. It just simply means they will never manufacture any rules aside the one on the website for the purpose of denial. So as long as you trade justly, they will never deny your payout. You're going to get your payout. That is what it simply means. And the fastest payout they've ever delivered was 3 minutes and some seconds. That's how beautiful Hola Prime is. All right. So in terms of pricing, fair enough. Very, very fair. Their rules are not complicated. So use the link on my bio to purchase an account and use the code on your screen, right? To also what? Purchase an account and enjoy amazing discounts. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.